Okay, welcome guys. Let's do this past exam paper from KZN trial paper 2 2023, question number 5 that has to do with the trigonometry. Here it says we're given sine 38 is equals to p, determine the value of the following without using of a calculator. So number one, we're given sine. You can see that we're given sine p, sine 38 is p. So they want you to find cos 218. Now you have to understand the relationship between these numbers. So when I look at these numbers, I can say cos 218 can be written as cos 180 plus 38, which is negative cos 38. Now, but we know that cos 38 is equals to the square root of 1 minus sine squared 38. Therefore, negative cos 38 will mean negative the square root of 1 minus sine squared 38, which was negative 1 minus p squared. The next question wants you to find cos 14. Now, again, we have to look for the relationship. Cos 14 can be written as cos 90 minus 76, which is equal to sine 76. Sine 76 itself is 2 times 38. So sine 76 can be written as sine 2 multiplied by 38. And have you in your mind the identity of sine. Sorry, it's an 8 here. So sine 38, you know it, is p. Cos 38 is square root of 1 minus p squared. There we go. The next question is sine 26 cos 26. So I'm going to write it nicely. I'm going to multiply this by 1, and it's going to be 2 divided by 2, which is 1. Then I say sine 26 cos 26. So I want you to see this. This is an identity. So this becomes sine 52. So we're having sine 52. Then this becomes 1 over 2. Now sine 52 is equal to cos 38. Is cos 38. So therefore we are going to say 1 over 2 cos 38, but we know the cos 38 is the square root of 1 minus p squared, then divided by 2. This becomes the solution to the problem. So the next question says evaluate with following without using a calculator. Okay, so we are given sine 2 sines 165 cos 195. So for the purpose of this class, I'm going to expand this. It's going to be 2 sine, this is 180 minus 15. Then the next one is cos 180 plus 15. Okay, then cos 45 sine 45 cos 15 sine 15. Now this is an identity for sine, so it's going to be sine 15 minus 45. Okay. So on the numerator, this is in the second quadrant, and we know that sine is positive. And this is in the third quadrant, and we know that cos is negative. And this one, we know it's going to be negative sine 30. Now negative times negative will cancel. Then you're having 2 sine 15 cos 15, which is equals to sine 30. So I'm having sine 30 over sine 30, and I get a number which is 1, becomes a solution. The next question is to prove the identity. They want to prove the identity 2 tan theta minus sine 2 theta over 2 sine squared theta being equal to tan. So I'm going to focus on the left hand side here. And first I'm going to convert the tan, and I'm going to convert the identity of sine, so that I'm having 2 sine theta over cos theta minus 2 sine theta cos theta, all divided by 2 sine squared theta. If I take 2 sine theta as my common factor, I'm going to have something like 2 sine theta 1 over cos theta minus cos theta, all divided by 2 sine squared theta. Okay, so let me deal with what is inside the bracket here. We can see that the 2 will cancel the 2. Sine, will be left with 1 over sine theta is equals to 1 minus cos squared theta over cos theta. Okay, and what I did here, just cross multiplication here. Well, this is 1 over 1, so the common denominator is cos theta. 1 times 1 is 1. Cos theta times cos theta, that's cos squared theta. But we know this is an identity of sine. So we are having 1 over sine theta. Then this we say is an identity, so it's going to be times sine squared theta over cos theta. By multiplication and division, then we'll be left with the sine theta over cos theta. And this is equals to, it's an identity for tan theta. So hence determine the values which make the above undefined. So for it to be undefined, the denominator must be 0. So therefore 2 sine squared theta must be equal to 0. Sine squared theta, if you divide both sides by 2, it can be 0. Sine theta will be equal to 0. Therefore theta will be 0 plus 360. Okay, 180 minus 0, or 180 plus 360. Okay, where k is an element of 4 integers. Now, so we want only between 180 and 360. So we have, for your solution would be 180 here. Thank you.